Hello, my name is Mariluz Arroyo Sosa. Travel itinerary. The best way to enjoy your travel adventure through Medellin, Antioquia. Introduction of the place. It is located in the widest part of the natural region known as Valle de Aburrá in the central-most range of the Andes. It extends along both banks of the Medellin River, which crosses it from south to north at its main municipality of the Valle de Aburrá metropolitan area. Medellin has a pleasant climate with mild temperatures, and you can visit in throughout the year. The best time for a trip to Medellin is start the relatively dry season between December and February. Also, the month of July can be good. You can choose any experience. Adventure, emotion, discovery. Transport. Car, air, train. En car, in bicycle, car, bus. En air, international y nacional. Train, Metro Plus y Car. Day 1, downtown. If you find yourself in the Poblad neighborhood, visit Café Pergamino of Kind Bit to head start. If you stay in Laurel, I would recommend Ritual of Cave Revolution. Day 2, the North. Start the day with a local breakfast, making sure to have a more typical breakfast that included the arepa. From Acevedo, you can opt on the Metro Cable and Gongoal Leaf system integrated into the metro. Day 3. Lasted through the city. If you have never been to one of the stops with crazy local markets, where you can head every time from wild exotic fruit, con tongue, restaurant, food, nut, furniture, live animal on the more. Then you should visit La Retalis in the center. The Stone of the Peñon, Small Stone Paisa. Place to stay. The most recommended areas in Medellin are Poblado, Parque Lleras, and Laurel. These neighborhoods have good hotel offer, are well connected to the public transport, are close to numerous points of interest, and are the style in the city. Typical food. Tripies, tripod y Antiochian porridge. Thank you very much.